crispy and crunchy, ready to be fried. And this rice flour sev, it can be made and stored for up to a year, and you can sun dry it and you can use it anytime you want. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell for the future uploads. So to make a rice flour sev, we need 1.5 cup of water. Going to heat water, and we are going to add ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of each, and green chili paste as per your taste. You can also add red chili flakes instead, and 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, and 1.5 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Now to make it more fluffy and crunchy, we're going to add papad khar or soda bicarb, and salt as per taste. So I'm using 3 cups of rice flour, so I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now mix everything well, and we are going to add fresh coriander, that is cilantro, to give a bright green color, also a very nice flavor. Bring this to a boil, and we are going to let this cool a little bit and set it aside. Now I'm using a Kitchenaid stand mixer with this dough hook, and I'm just going to take 3 cups of rice flour, fluff this up a little bit, and then I'm going to add this water that we have just prepared. Now I also have another cup of water boiling in case if I need more, because rice flour are different, they absorb more or less water depending on the flour. So here I have used total of 2.5 cups of water for 3 cups of flour. So the dough is nice and soft. Now I'm going to take this together, and I have prepared a steamer. We are going to steam the dough. So my steamer pot is ready. I'm just going to lay the dough flat, make sure it's nice and flat, and I'm going to spread it evenly, and we are going to let this steam for about 18 to 20 minutes. Now at this point, this can be eaten as a paprino load, and it is very flavorful and very tasty. I'm going to do a quick stick test, and you're going to need some gloves to handle the hot dough, because we have to knead the dough while it's hot. So I'm just going to knead it until it's nice and smooth. So now it's very manageable. I can handle it with the hands. It's warm enough. Now at this point you can roll it flat roti, then it will be a khichiya papad. But I'm just going to put it into my Sev Sancha and then make a sev. So I'm just going to make the sev. Now you have to work very quickly. You have to make the sev while the dough is warm, so that it can come out easily. Now spread it, and then we are going to lay it in the sun for about 1 day. So I have dried the sev in the sun for about 6 hours, and it is nice and crispy. Now you can store this in an airtight container for about a year, and then fry it whenever you need it. So let's fry this. So I'm just going to fry it in a hot oil, and it is nice and fluffy. As you can see, it puffs up almost double of its size, and it is very crispy and crunchy, and it's perfect tea time snack. So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.